So guys, first of all, go to the Chrome browser, go to Roblox official website, click on continue in browser, make sure you're logged in. Now click on this option, create option, and click on three dots and choose the desktop site mode. Once you reach here in the experience, just click on this image, the default experience, and now go to this option, menu option. Now choose this option, associate item. Now you will find the passes option here. Now you can choose the click create a pass option to create pass. Now you have to upload, name the game pass and give the description of the game pass. Now just name it. Now give the description. Now click on the create pass. Now once you created a pass, now since you have not set up the sale option, so go to this again pass that you have created. Now go to this menu option, go to this sales option, and enable item for sales and give the price of the game pass. Like I'm going to name price it at 20 robux and click on save changes. So you will get 70% of it. So now just open the please donate and put it up for on a stand, and you will be able to send your game sold your sell your game pass on roblox. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.